This is as far as the suspense over CM face in Delhi is concerned. BJP leadership is yet to announce its chief minister choice. Multiple names are doing the rounds. Among them are some who are not MLAs. Amid the suspense, sources in the party have said the next Delhi chief minister will be from among the MLAs. Will it be a woman? According to sources, the BJP would consider caste equations and may opt for an MLA from the scheduled caste. Let's go back to Ishika. Ishika, a lot of suspense over who the next chief minister of Delhi is going to be. A lot of names doing the rounds. But take us through the latest. Is it going to be a woman? Is it going to be a non-MLA? Looks like they are going to consider caste equations as well. What are you hearing?
Well, as you very rightly mentioned, Radhika, we have seen a lot of brainstorming by the BJP over the next Chief Minister of Delhi. Several rounds of meetings already been held and many more to come. Amid all of this, what the sources have told NDTV is that the next Chief Minister will be from the newly elected MLAs. And not just that, while making the next Chief Minister, factors like the woman factor and also in fact the caste equation is also going to be kept in mind. So certainly when you come talk about the woman, we have seen how a lot of emphasis or rather focus has been put on women in this election. So the focus is also as to sending out a message to the voters who have given the mandate. So certainly BJP can pick a woman chief minister, and when you talk about that, there are several names which are doing the round. First of all, certainly Shikha Rai, who has in fact turned out to be a giant slayer in this election, defeating the former cabinet minister Saurabh Bharadwaj. Not just that, she has also been a former mayor as well and has held position in the Delhi BJP as well. So her name is certainly popping up. But apart from that, there is in fact Rekha Gupta also, who has held several positions in Delhi BJP, which is also doing the rounds. Not just that, the caste equations also is something that the BJP will be keeping in mind. So certainly, will it be a woman chief minister or will it be a Dalit chief minister? It remains to be seen, because several more rounds of discussions are going to be held with the MLAs, because remember, the legislative party meeting regarding the discussion has not been called yet. So that has to happen, and after that, the top leadership will finally be making the announcement.
Right.